Namaste students, Khusro Bitio. I, JVN Dr. Naran Singh Shekhawat, Assistant Professor Department of Salyatantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Human University. In previous class we discussed about cholecystitis definition, anatomy of gallbladder, cholecystitis definitions, etiology, pathology, pathophysiology. Now, today's class we will discuss about clinical features of clinical features of clinical clinical features of cholecystitis. They, they include is including 4F scene. 4F means fatty fertile female 40 of 50. Just represented as colicky pain and more prolonged due to inflammation. Nausea, vomiting, initially low grade fever also. As you can see in this picture, jaundice, nausea, vomiting, etc. Sign and symptom. Sign. Murphy sign. Keep the finger in right hypochondrial and told to take deep breath. As the height of inspiration, there is sudden catch of breath. It's due to inflamed gallbladder coming in contact with abdominal wall. This is called Murphy sign. Both signs feel of hyperesthesia between 9 and 11 ribs posteriorly. Rigidity and gardening of upper abdominal wall, presence of vagus mole of gallbladder, omentum and exudate. Differential diagnosis: perforated peptic ulcer, acute pancreatitis, high retrocecal appendicitis, amoebic liver abscess, liver pneumonia. Investigations: total WBC count, blood and urine analysis to rule out DM, plain X-ray to rule out gallstone and gallbladder calcification, ultrasonography success rate. This is the image. Hydra scan, peptide scan, and CT scan. Treatment: conservative treatment. 60 to 70% medicine treatment is beneficial. Admission: aspiration of HCl with rice tube, antispasmodic injection morphine, injection atropine. Antibiotics: broad spectrum like cefazolin, amikacin, etc. Early cholecystectomy: this can be done from second to seventh day of admission, as there is proved of having complication of inflamed gallbladder. Prior to these, the condition like DM, ST, and etc. should be made corrected. Emergency cholecystectomy: about 10% patient needs emergency cholecystectomy. The deciding factor to be considered are high grade fever, sepsis, shock, etc. A calculus and performed gallbladder are the strong indications. Prophylactic cholecystectomy: it means complete removal of gallbladder with stones and without symptoms. Now, second one is chronic cholecystitis. The recurrent attack of cholecystitis converts gallbladder into fibrosed, non-functioning, contract, shrunken, and small. Stones are invariably present. The patient having fatty food intolerance. Murphy sign is positive. Diagnosed by USG or else oral cholecystography to functioning the gallbladder. Treatment: cholecystectomy. As in previous slides we discussed about cholecystectomy. Okay, students, this is all about whole cholecystectomy, cholecystitis and cholecystectomy. Uh, uh, This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0, जो कि Depth 1 University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubt and query, please comment in. Please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students. Namaste, students. Kusro Bitiyong. I, JV and Dr. Naren Singh Sekhot, Assistant Professor, Department of Salyatantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In previous class, we discussed about anatomy of stomach, then pyloric stenosis, then and peptic ulcer part first. In today in peptic ulcer part 2, we discuss about general symptoms of peptic ulcer, complications of peptic ulcer, diagnostic of peptic ulcer, and general management of peptic ulcer. Let's begin. General peptic ulcer, symptoms of general peptic ulcer: epigastric tenderness. In gastric ulcer, tenderness feel in epigastrium, left to midline, and in duodenal ulcer, tenderness feel in mid to right of epigastrium. Sharp burning, aching, gnawing pain, dyspepsia, nausea, and belching. Complications of peptic ulcer like hemorrhage, perforation, narrowing and obstruction. This is called pyloric stricture or pyloric stenosis. Diagnostic test of for pyloric for peptic ulcer is first EGD. EGD means esophagogastroduodenoscopy. Esophagogastroduodenoscopy. This is the endoscopic procedure. And now we will discuss about the drug therapy or medication therapy for peptic ulcer. Let's provide pain relief medicines, antacids and mucosa protectors. Second, eradicate the Histolytica pylori infection, 2 antibiotics and 1 acid suppressor. Next, heal ulcer. For healing ulcer, eradicate infection, protect until ulcer heal. Prevent recurrence. For prevent recurrence, decrease high acid stimulating food in susceptible people. Avoid use of potential ulcer causing drugs. Stop smoking. Hyposecretory drugs like proton pump inhibitors, ACE2 receptor antagonists, antacids, prostaglandin analogues, and mucosal barrier fertilizers are used. If it is not treated, then we will in the treatment for surgery greatly decreased in the last 20 to 30 years, secondary to the discovery of Histolytica pylori. Required if ulcer in one of these states performed and overflowed into the duodenum, scarred and swelled so that there is obstruction, acute bleeding, and non-responsive to medications. Types of surgical procedure. First one is gastroenterostomy. Allows regurgitation of alkaline duodenal contents into the stomach. Creates a passage between the body of stomach to small intestine. This one is the body of stomach, and connect to the this one is the intestine. So avoid this, bypass this duodenal part and communicate from body of stomach to intestine. directly. This one. Okay, students, this one is gastro and duodenostomy. This one is a gastroduodenoscopy. Okay, students, this one is gastroduodenoscopy. This one is gastroduodenoscopy. Okay, students. सेकेंड वेगोटोमी, कट वेगस नर्व एलिमिनेट एसिड सिक्रेशन स्टिमुलेंट्स, क्योंकि जो वेगस नर्व होती है वो एसिड सिक्रेशन करती है स्टमक में, तो उसको पाथ ऑफ वेगस नर्व इज कट डिवाइडेड, दिस इज द वेगोटोमी. दीज आर द शोइंग ऑफ surgical pyloroplasty widens the pylorus to guarantee stomach empty with, even without vagus nerve stimulation. इसमें अपन क्या करते हैं, जो वेगस पाइलोरिक स्फिंक्टर वाला पार्ट होते हैं उसकी जो मस्कुलर है उसको वाइड करते हैं और उसमें इंसिजन कट लगाने के बाद उसको थोड़ा विडन कर देते हैं विदाउट वेगस नर्व स्टिमुलेशन. टाइप्स ऑफ अदर सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर, एंटेरोटोमी या सब टोटल गैस्ट्रेक्टोमी, सब टोटल गैस्ट्रेक्टोमी. Remainder must be reattached to the rest of the bowel below what below 2. Below 1 is distal portion of the stomach is removed. Enterectomy. Repeat. I am repeating. I am repeat this. Lower half of stomach must cut most of the acid. Lower half of the stomach make most of the acid. Removing this portion decrease the acid production. This is the enterectomy. Subtotal gastrectomy. Remove 2/3 of stomach. This is the subtotal gastrectomy. Third one is remainder must be reattached to the rest of the bowel. There are two types of. First one is a Billroth and second is Billroth 2. Let's understand. Billroth 1. In Billroth 1, distal portion of the stomach, distal portion of the stomach, distal portion of the stomach, this stomach is removed. The remainder is anastomotic to the duodenum. This stomach part of stomach has been removed and distal portion of stomach is anastomotic to the duodenum. This one. It means most of the acid production part has been removed. This is the Billroth first. Now Billroth second. In Billroth, the lower portion of the stomach is removed and the remainder is anastomotic to the jejunum. In this portion, in this type, the lower portion of stomach is removed and the anastomotic to the jejunum. This is the jejunum part. This is the jejunum part attached to the lower portion of the stomach. Clear, students? Postoperative care, you can see in nasogastric tube monitor the postoperative complication, bleeding, duodenal stump leak, gastric retention, dumping syndrome, anemia, and malabsorption of fat. So, student, this is all about the stomach disorders. This is one is a peptic ulcer. So, students, I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts and queries, mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.